TJ, let him know.
What's going on?
Where we at? Yeah, here at the Liqaaaaa.
You know what I'm saying? Got the second bottle of the night. Had to get feeling good, you know what I'm saying, on this Sunday evening and shit. But yeah, we got the little shit pooper out right now. Yeah. So if you was hearing a little bing bing bop bop bop, now it's me, you heard? I almost dropped the pink Woody right there. Y'all see that? But yo, we gotta go in there and we gonna get some clips for y'all, man. We gotta do some little popping and two-step for y'all real quick, y'all. Like, you wanna show them?
Oh yeah.
Okay, let's go.
What you doing?
We're gonna two-step.
Okay. Oh, when I'm in the car? I don't know if I would do it here, bro.
You recorded outside the car yet?
Yeah.
Yeah.
I recorded. Okay, guys, we're not actually.
We're gonna go to the ice cream shop and stop and do it.
At the what side?
What's that? Yeah.
Oh yeah, the creamery.
Yo, here we go, guys.
CJ banger. Yes, sir.
Alright, yo, we got a two-step of that fucking, what is it? Wesley Farms?
Woodside.
Woodside Creamery.
I would. Turn it down a little bit, the music. Just so they can
give them a little surprise, guys.
All right. Do you want to? We're gonna film their reactions too. Yeah, I don't feel like getting out, but because we're on a road, guys. I really don't want to get out of here. We're gonna get it though. See how they like it. Oh shit! Here we go.
Shut up, bitch. They got a wasp.
What do you think about the wasp, bro?
We got a wasp in the express wings. Oh shit, it on it.
It's not to the top, yo, but it's like really right to the rib.
Yeah, that's how we do it in the chicks. Zoom in on it.
Oh shit, we got a mamas out here and shit, they spinning the shit.
Yo guys, we put the BL for the Mr. Man for later. Look, listen, right in front of the shop. Look at that thing right there. Look at the Zealand. And the Zealand. The buzz right there, look.
DJ got a tweak attack and he fucking threw the butt all over. Here, let me show him. You wanna see, guys?
Alright. Dude, you fucking had a goddamn tweak attack to do this shit, bro. Yeah, what'd you do, bro? Where, hold on, where we at? And then the BL right there. That's for him later.
That's for my.
Y'all, we are replacing the tail light in the G today. CJ's just playing with Luna.
Yeah, she ain't fucking with me right now, bro.
She a little shy. She's got spade, y'all.
Oh, look at her blinking.
So yeah, what's going on with this Honda?
We bought a family car, right? Look at this shit here, guys, right? Hold on, guys, you ready for this shit? Look. 15 bands and what? 15 vans on
Lifter
what?
take
Lifter
later.
take 15 vans? Bro, listen, yo, we come into that shot, homeboy. Wheels, you hear me? I'm coming to you, homie. This shit ain't sweet, bro. You ain't about to be my mama like that, you heard? I'm about to come over there and step on you, man.
Alright, you guys, so basically today what we're doing is we're changing the left turning signal bulb, and then we have to go to AutoZone later and get the right reverse light bulb because I didn't realize that was out. But we got these last night, and we're going to do this real quick. Do a bunch of little car stuff today while Mr. Bang is off work.
You know what I'm saying? TJ took off work, man, because to be honest, you don't know, I don't like doing that bullshit, nigga. Trying to get my Tillman business going.
You know it.
Smokey Joe, you know what I'm saying? We trying to get out there. Me and my boy, we trying to get out there. But listen, I'm telling y'all soon, man. That shit gonna really happen, yo, for real. That shit about to go.
Oh yeah, and we didn't show y'all this. It has a strut bar, a Euro spec.
Here, bro, throw the gas real quick.
Euro Sport, my bad.
Throw that gas. Make you, that gasolina that make you feel self-esteem.
Oh yeah?
Throw the catina.
Hold the camera.
Hold the camera.
And show me.
Esta stamatina. Stamatina. No, at the gas, stamatima.
Yeah, y'all, I can't show you because we can't get demonetized.
Yeah, but yo, we got the new, my baby got the new Ethicas, man.
But yeah, we got the Ethicas. These are the Wake and Bake Ethicas. They got the weed nugs on them, and then it says Wake and Bake.
You know what I'm saying? Little. Ooh, they don't know about that shit, nigga. We gotta get to it though, man. We gotta get this. We gotta do the. Did you already tell them?
I told them.
All right, cool.
They know, Ninja.
Yeah, Ninja, they know, man. We gotta get to it though, man.
Also, we just got this light out. It was like 3 little, what are these, 8s?
Yeah, and then you just had to take out the little. Well, I forget what these are called. They're like clips or
just
whatever.
Just clips
for the interior stuff.
Trunk liner.
Yeah.
So there's the turning signal light.
You guys can. Let's see. Wait, is this it?
Yes, it is.
Okay, let's take it out.
Be careful. Oh.
Let's see if it's burnt. Yup, look, guys. As you can see, right there,
It's
broke.
burnt out because of the bang out. So these are the new ones. You can definitely tell these are the matching lights. Yep. So we're gonna go ahead and drop that in for y'all. All right, guys. So that was a quick ass, easy as install, and she's in there. Well, we're gonna go ahead now. We're gonna get the reverse light, right?
Show them all done. Look. Oh yeah, we gotta take these airbags out too. So everything's all back together and everything. It's like easy as share. Probably gonna go get the. You gonna drive and go get the
reverse light.
Reverse light.
Yep.
You might go to AutoZone, take the G, get a reverse light. You might do that. It'd take like 5 minutes, but
be right back.
It's right. Oh yeah, and then guys, we're also gonna get more footage. I'm gonna. We can go to AutoZone and get 3M tape. It's like $3, and we're gonna put the try to put the license plate lights back on for him, so he don't get fucked with at night. So
yeah,
at least that will help a little bit. It might take a little longer than these, but at least it'll look good.
Yeah, I mean it's all still wired up down there. It's just I had to take those lights out because they were dragging. The bracket, guys, that holds those little license plate lights got rusted out completely for me. So just gonna have to rig it up with some 3M and get them lights back up there because I really don't need to be getting pulled over.
Yeah, little boy. Where you at? Come here, little boy.
Is he scared?
I think he's scared.
Why? What happened, man? Why'd you run from the tweaks? I thought you support us, man.
Why'd you run from the tweaks, man? You running from the tweaks? He was about to meet TJ.
We are in the process of taking the right tail light out now to change the reverse light. Then that's it for the bulbs today.
Well, fuck, we forgot 3M tape. I was about to do
the lights. But you know what? We'll save that for another day. Honestly. Well, you know what, bro? We'll do that another day, and we'll do the dents another day.
Yeah.
And the airbags. You know? Take them out. So we're gonna do all that a separate day, you guys, because I think we're just gonna, you know, it's a day off of work today, so we're doing some easy installs. You know what I'm saying? I guess TJ just likes working on my shit. But I would do it. He's just got all the tools and shit, y'all. I gotta get some tools. But yeah, it's easy as hell to do, so it's not like
Taking this out right now. Just all click bolts right here. As you can see, this pops off. And this pops off, right? Look. Guys, so basically last time this shit didn't come out.
hit it with a ratchet. Ready?
Wait, it might come out.
Nope.
Yep.
You gotta hit it. That's the grand touch.
Alright, wait, what was the reverse light?
Yeah, so it's
So
this
we're
one.
getting this one right here.
Yes,
Look at
sir.
that, John. Let's see. Look, oh, there it go. Look.
Oh, there it is.
Look, there you go. Look at it. You see? I know you see it. It's disconnected. You see that, John? You see it?
Yep.
And look, put the new one in there.
It's not even this. Oh yeah, it is.
That is different.
I know. I saw it. It was hard to see that.
That one in
Yeah,
there.
snap her in. Here, on, make sure it's in.
That's in, bro.
You made me make sure last time, so I'm making
I
sure.
mean, yeah, I made sure you know.
Yeah, because I do.
Not me make myself
I do.
know.
Because I'm T, dude.
Because I'm the one working.
Because you want to.
Alright, that's in there snug. Back on like this. Guys,
Put on needs in there.
and we done, man. We got the end stop for the reverse lights and the turns. Like, no brother, muy buenos.
Alright, guys, we're out here. This is the new family car. TJ! Tell them!
Ah, you got a new family car. Fucking knocking.
Where are we going,
Wait, is
though?
it knocking now?
Where are we
Going
going?
to the bagel shop. We gotta show you guys where we go get this banging ass food. And yeah, wait, who was that motherfucker that commented that shit, bro? I seen that shit.
You know?
Who was that?
I don't know.
Alright, bro, let me tell you something, bro. You act like we like being weird or something, man. Like, if you don't like this shit, don't watch us, bro. And you act like we like doing tours with somebody. Like, that's just how we talk, bro. Like, if you literally don't like it, bro, do not watch our videos, bro. Like, for real. You're a hating ass motherfucker, bro. Who are you, bro? In the comment section. What you trying to get noticed? Look, my boy, you got noticed now. Is that what you wanted? You wanted to get noticed in the video? Look, there you go. But look, you ain't getting nowhere. Now you blocked. You ain't watching DriftTweakers. Get to the money. And then
Break. You already know, nigga. We out here. We just got the reverse light for the right side.
we got it for the right side, man. We about
We got.
to. We got AutoZone, man. Shout out AutoZone. Shitty ass customer service, bro. Lazy ass motherfucker. Couldn't even get it. We, man, going out. We had to go get it, man. You a lazy ass and go get it, man. Send an AC and shit, man. Yo, listen. We got our shit. We about to go to the crib and install it.
Uh-huh.
Go ahead and put it up.
Wait, this might be hers.
Do it real quick. Ninja. Alright. Peace thugging. Guys, as I always say, thank you for watching another episode on DriftTweakers. Please make sure you like, comment, subscribe, and share with your friends. Put that notification bell on because we got a lot more coming for y'all. We'll see you on the next one.